Find everything you want in a ride under one roof with this vehicle. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. The powertrain includes all-wheel drive with an efficient 4-cylinder engine connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. Premium wheels lend a distinctive appearance. You will appreciate the safety feature of anti-lock brakes. Rest easy knowing this vehicle comes with a Carfax Vehicle History Report from Carfax, the most trusted provider of vehicle history information. If safety is a high priority, rest assured knowing these top safety components are included: traction control, daytime running lights, low tire pressure warning. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact us.